Hey guys, this is Karen with Planning with Care Bear, and today I'm going to be filming the week of Easter in my Erin Condren Hourly Life Planner for April 11th through the 17th. So if you're interested in watching that video, then stick around. I'm gonna grab me a sip of my coffee. This is in my Ray Dunn mug that says Mom's Got It All. I did go ahead and lay the bones of my kit down just because I ran into a small problem. Not with my stickers. Oh no, they're lovely as always from Study Girl Doodle. But last week, I did not get this filmed. I was filming it and I just started feeling really bad for my health. And also I was having all kinds of issues. Couldn't find my craft knife, so I used my older fingertip, but I forgot when I last used that. I changed the blade on it, and so I cut right here to get this washi right here, which is an Erin Condren washi, and I cut all the way through my planner. So I had to put tape down, and this is not how y'all normally see my plan with me's, but we had to think outside the box. I literally had put tape down. I don't know if y'all can see, but all the way to here I had put tape down. You can kind of tell the shining. So I put tape on this side and I put tape on this side. So therefore, with my normal skinny washi under my date headers, I could not write the weather down there. So I decided to go with the thick washi up here. That leaves me a spot right here at 8 a.m. where I can put down the weather. And then I went ahead and put the not the ultra thin, but the like medium size washi down here. And I went ahead and put my date headers in, my weekend banner, and then this dead washi. So this is where I'm going to write the weather. So okay, well, let us get back to that. I kind of watched that whole part of that and I'm like, I don't like it. So what I've got is I've got the sampler here. That's where I got that one washi off of. And then I've got the thin washi. I've got the doodles, the hourly page. This is where the thick washi was. I still got 2 stripes there. I've got the ombre checklist. I've got the scripts. I've got another set of date headers if I wanted to use those. I've got 2 of the pattern and basic labels. When I ordered my monthly kit, I thought I needed these in the monthly, but I didn't. I used a couple right here, the thick the half boxes. And the appointment labels, I have 2 of those. So we are going to jump. Oh, I hit the camera. Sorry. We're going to jump right into this hot mess plan with me. It's literally a hot mess. Alrighty, and I just wanted to say welcome to the ones that are new. We've got several, like there's a mouse in my pocket or something. I've gotten several new subscribers, like over the last week. I think I've got 4 or 5 new ones. So I'm so happy that y'all are here. I hope y'all enjoy the content here. I mostly do planning. I do a PR for a couple of shops that I will show you their kits. Study Girl Doodle, which is the maker of this kit. You can put Karen to 15 and the discount code so you get 15% off. And then I'm not sure which freebie she'll send you. This is my newest one, and you just put Karen in the notes to seller and you'll get this freebie. And then this one is the March and April freebie, and this one is the May and June freebie. So there is that. I'm going to work on my sidebar real quick. But yeah, I mostly do plan with me's. I do sticker hauls, planner hauls. We're fixing to have, and you in the planner world know what I'm talking about. We're fixing to be having a planner launch coming up. So that's exciting. And then I do just, I want to get into doing, I'm going to show my office setup. And then I'm thinking about going ahead when my daughter gets back home. I know it's April, but I'm thinking about going ahead and starting on some of my Halloween DIYs that I want to do. Some Christmas ones that I already have all the stuff for, and that way I'm not crammed into. I'm thinking about doing Vlogtober, and if I do that, I want to have all of my DIYs done ahead of time, and then I want to do Vlogmas. So I've got hefty goals there that I want to do. So I just hope I can get it all done. This coffee is so good. Okay, we're going to work here on our sidebar. And what do I want to... I want to do, let's see, do this week. I'm getting better, but I think it may not help that my husband's outside mowing. I'm allergic to cut grass, and my nose is bothering me like crazy. It was like one of them things. I mean, he's not off very much. In fact, he worked yesterday. So when he's off, he needs to mow the yard, because if we don't keep it mowed, the city's going to come by and have us pay for somebody to mow it. And I don't want that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that'll be fine. I'm just going to do that for like to-dos this week. Do this. Trying to decide if I want to do to-do. I think it said this week I'm going to do to-do. So we're going to put this down. Put this down right about here. But yeah, so those that are new, I am Karen. I am a disabled mom of one. She will be 18 in a few days. I still look at her and think, where did the time go? And then I've been with my husband. Been with him for 16 years. We've been married for 15. No, I have been with him come October for 17 years. And we will be married in August for 16 years. Oh my God. I totally forgot that we had our 15 year last year. Because we were going to do this whole like celebrations thing. And then with all that's been going on, since I am immune compromised, we just decided that we didn't want to do that. I'm going to cut one of these down, but I'm going to brace so I don't cut my planner again. Where did I do? Oh, there it is. I thought I brought my ruler in here with me, my Erin Condren ruler, but I do not see it anywhere. So, we will make do. I want to do, I want to do, cut this in half. And I'm going to use half of this for my to-goes and half of this for my to-calls. Okay. Put that back over there. And we're going to take, see right there? That's what my planner looked like before I taped it. I was so sad. I was almost, and because I was feeling so bad, I was almost in tears while I was telling my husband. And he's just looking at me like, it was like, I guess I was acting like it was a health crisis. He's just looking at me like, are you crazy? And I'm like, you don't understand my planner. He's like looking at me like I have lost my mind. But hey, you planner girls or guys, you know what I'm talking about. You feel like, oh my God, what have I done to my planner? Okay, let's do that there. Ooh. And then I'm going to do this here. And we'll just see something real quick. If I put a full one here and this one here, that one will go there, so I might as well just do a full one for my chacals, because I do have a lot of chacals to do. I just forgot about them. My stickers are all sticking to me, hence the name stickers, right? I don't know why I'm in a goopy mindset today. Probably because I haven't been getting that well sleep, and I slept good last night. In my last video, I told you guys that our outdoor cat, she's really fluffy cat, as to all them that are going to make comments about how we didn't realize she was pregnant. She spends most of her time outdoors. She just comes in to eat and drink, and then she meows to be let back outside. So we didn't realize it, and she's really fluffy. And why do I feel myself getting irritated right now? Anyway, she did come in though that morning, and while I was asleep, she had 2 kittens and had them in our dryer drawer of our front loader. So anyway, my husband and I went last night to Sonic because I was hungry, and we got back home and I was getting ready to eat, and my husband said, well, I can't find her, which is Lady, which is the mama cat. She said, he said, I can't find her, and one of her kittens is missing. So I started like tearing the house up, and then I realized there was only one place in our house that was open, because I've been shutting all the doors, because she likes to like take them and move them around, so I have like a scavenger hunt to try to find them. It's not cool. I don't like it. And I'm gonna take this off because it keeps sticking to me. It's just that little bit of sticker paper from the divider. So anyway, I ended up coming into my office, and my office is still like being like renovated, and I don't mean like we're doing construction. We use this for a storage up until, that is so crooked, up until I decided to start filming videos. And then I've been gradually getting stuff that I wanted to put in my office, and so I've got like pictures propped up on the wall, that stuff I want to either get rid of or ones that I'm gonna put up. And I literally, it looks like a tornado has went through my house or my office. But I just started moving everything, and finally I seen Mama come out, and I'm like, where have you been? I saw her come out of my office, and I'd already been in there once to look. So I come in here, and there was a couple of wall hanging pictures just leaning up against the wall, and then there was this big mirror that was leaning up against the wall. And I was doing it out like this, like looking at behind each one. And finally the last one, which is a huge mirror, I pulled it back, and the kitten was laying there. And I'm like, oh my God. So she went right back in there and fed them. And just a little bit ago, she goes outside, and then she'll let us know when she's ready to come back in. And she'll jump right back in there and feed them. So it's disastrous. I don't like it. And I wish I knew that. Oh, I know who she got PG by, because we have this pretty tomcat in our area, and he's been hanging around, And he's so pretty though. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. Okay. I'm going to use these for my meals. That way, if I decide not to do that certain meal, I can move it around. But first I'm going to draw some lines. I don't know how this pen is going to work. In the throes of trying to find her last night, I found this pen. It's a 2-pack. I got them at Dollar Tree. It's a R2 rollerball in black, and it's a 0.7. But I remember buying them, and then I lost them. I found them when I was looking. They were behind the china cabinet. It just fell down there. No biggie. Okay, I'm going to mark the 5 o'clock spot on Monday and Wednesday here. And I'll mark it on the rest of the days over there. But I know those are the days we'll be having dinner. What is going on with my planner? And then Tuesday we have a Zoom meeting. I hate it when that happens. And I hate this whiteout. I let myself run out of Tombow whiteout. And it can't be here for a little while. So I had to do with Bic. And I hate Bic whiteout. And I don't like that ruler. Where's my other ruler? I'm just going to deal with this right now. I'm going to do... Yeah, this pen is not working. It's smearing. Let's try to put this down again. This whiteout down again. Okay, great. Oh, this is aggravating. I don't have another whiteout. This is all my pens that I thought about that fit with this kit. And yeah, I don't have another. I'm looking at my drawer that I always kept in. No, I don't have another one, so it's... Okay, we're just going to leave that to set up, and hopefully it will. Draw this one right here, and then I'm going to do the 6 o'clock on Tuesday. And start to turn it over. And do the 5 o'clock all the way across. But yeah, I went over the meals that I was thinking about making with my husband. And he was just like, yeah, that's good. And, so I'm just going to put them on stickers because we really didn't talk about when we were going to have them. And we worked better about just... like having an idea, and that way we make sure we have the groceries for that, but having an idea of what we want to make for the week. This is not good. Who said it was a good idea to wipe this out? I mean, to draw these lines. Oh wait, it was me, wasn't it? Pen number 3. Okay, it's not perfect, but it'll be okay. And while I'm over here, I'm going to go ahead and put my fork and knives down. And then we're going to go back over there and put the weather in. I'm for some reason doing it all backwards today. I normally do the washi, date headers, sidebar, weather, and then meals. But I don't know. I just got sidetracked. Okay, we got those down. Go back over here. And put these down right here. These are from Black Dog Sticker Co., but I have some from Elisa Rebel. I've got some from Planner Kate. I've got some, I don't think I have any more of those. I had some from Simply Smith stickers, and I just knocked over something. Let it with my coffee. Okay, let me try over here now to... I'm just going to freehand that in because I don't want it to, I don't want to put another ruler on it. And if you go to Black Dog Sticker Co., it's CA-011. Just let y'all know that. Okay, now we're going to go back to this now. Why did I break that? Y'all, why don't y'all holler at me and say, don't put the stickers down, you're going to put other stickers down. A lot of times I not have a hot mess planning, but today it truly defines a hot mess planning. Okay, and then we're going to put this one down. I like doing this better. For one, I get to use more of my stickers. And for two, like I said, we like to just pick out the meals for the week. We don't necessarily say what day they're going to be on. And if I wanted to, I can move them around because they are matte removable stickers. And Erin Condren paper is to die for. It's just that great 80-pound Mohawk paper that's just amazing. Trying to decide. I know the themes that they're putting out this year, as far as like they've sneaked that and kind of what they look like. I'm just trying to decide. I know I want to do my the hourly that like I have this year, but I'm trying to decide if I want to do a the A5 daily like I have now, or if I want to do, let's see, it goes purple in this one. Or I want to do stick with the A5 size, or if I want to do a regular 7x9 like this one. So I don't know yet. Okay, let's go back over here to the weather, as my camera so rudely shuts off on me. I'll move those over there for a minute because I gotta get to my weather stickers. I also have a sweet tea from Sonic. Okay. Whose weather stickers do I want to use? I think I'm going to use these. I'm going to take them out because they're easier to get to. These are from Elisa Rebel, PS-IS033. And you can use Care Bear 15 there to get 15% off, and my personal freebie. Tuesday is rain. Yucky, yucky, yucky. Because some of y'all know my husband works outdoors. Well, he drives a gravel rock hauler. So when it's raining and storming like it is most of this next week, he doesn't get to do much, and he sits at home. It bugs me. Oh well, if he's at home, then we can get in there and work on my office, put my desk together. Rain on Thursday as well. Mostly cloudy on Friday. Storms on Saturday. Storms on Sunday. Good grief. I don't like this weather. No, I don't. I'm going to go back to this pen since I'm not drawing lines and using stickers. I mean, drawing lines and using rulers. Okay, 75, 50, 1, 80, 58, 79, 63, 74, 50, 79, 54, 79, 67. I feel like I'm almost like a broken record. 82, 65. It's like summer's trying to ramp itself up, but spring says, I'm in the works right now. Okay, so got that done. I have a doctor's appointment on Monday. Oh, we got 2 out. So we need to use one of these. Put it right here. Put it right. I think I don't want to use this. It says it's 0.7, but it is like really like bold. And I think that's one reason it's mirroring. Okay. The lid just shot off of my pen. And it fell right into my trash can. Okay, I'm going to use this one, the G2. I know it's there. I'll go right down all the details yet. Okay, go into here. You get this. And then I'm going to put this down. I had an idea of something I wanted to do, and then I just messed it up. I think I'm going to get an extra one of these stickers out because I want to where is it? In here? You watch I not be able to find it. There it is. Found it. I think I want to do I don't think this is going to fit in there without me doing another sticker. So let me see if it covers it up. Look at that. I think it covers it up. Or does that bother me? Okay, I can't get that. I have to put it crooked to make it cover up where I wrote on it. So I'm just going to sacrifice the one sticker and then put this down. I think it matches good. Okay, I got that down. And then look back at my monthly. We got payday. We're gonna go to my mother-in-law's and eat on Sunday. I'm gonna use this yellow box. I don't know what time we're gonna go over there. I'm just gonna put like this between like 1:30 and 3:30 is where this is gonna sit. If I can lay it down straight. We're doing burgers and stuff like that. Okay, dinner on the grill at Mom's. And then I just realized I wrote all these out and then I didn't put any down, but that's okay. Because I like the way my sidebar turned out. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put all these over here for a minute. I'm going to get my AM and PM routine stickers. Let me take them out because it's easier. The AM is PS-SC006 from Elisa Ravel and 007 for the PM. And like I said before, I don't actually write down my AM and PM routine in here. I just put a note of it. That way I can check it off. It's all listed in my daily. But I like to just put this here, like I said, use one of my little dot markers. And so I can mark that it's done. Okay, then we're going to put the others on this side. Go ahead and start with the PMs since I have those in my hand. Okay, I'll do more AMs and then we'll move on to the next thing. Okay. I feel like I'm rushing because I know we're supposed to go to my mother-in-law's and make some necklaces and stuff. So I'm trying to hurry. So I feel like my husband's out there waiting on me. Okay, so what dot marker do I want to use? This is my liner. Those two. This one. This one. I got all the pins out. I pulled every pin in my stash out that would work with this kit. I sent the picture to my daughter and she's like, wow. Okay, what did I use last week? Let me see. I used green last week, so let's not use green. Let's use this pretty blue. Okay. Oh yeah, that looks pretty. Okay, there we go. Ooh, I keep hitting my camera and I don't know why. Okay, let me close this up because this has, I'm gonna get stickers everywhere if I don't. Okay, I'm gonna write in the recipes that we have down real quick. Most of you know my husband is on a weight loss journey, and I have this app on my phone. It's called Emails, and it's not free. You pay every 3 months for it, but right now I'm only paying for dinner meals for 2, and it gives you ideas. And I keep saving them because I just paid for the 3 months, so I'm going to keep it for like 2.5 months, and then I'm going to cancel it. So every week, though, they send you different meals, and they're all low calorie. So he's on 1,200 calories a day. So I fix his lunch and breakfast, and then I make a low calorie dinner. So he's lost like 75 pounds. I think he's gained some back because he kind of got off the wagon during Thanksgiving and Christmas, and we're trying harder to get back on it, but he got back into that snacking mentality, so we're gonna have to break that. He tells me, just, if you have to be mean to me, be mean to me and tell me no. And I'm like, I don't like doing that. Okay. Chicken with tomatoes and spinach. But there's some meals that we've made, we're like, I do this to it. And then there's some meals that we make that we're like, oh my god, that is so good. Like the other night I'd never made fried rice before, and I made pork tenderloin fried rice. It was so good. We still have some leftovers in that. Spaghetti is not necessarily on the diet, but I will control his portions on that. This taco soup is on the emails, and I'm going to make it though in my Instapot. And then I'm just going to put Mom's here because I think we're going to have burgers, but I'm not sure. Okay, so we got that down. I'm going to Oh no, I didn't want to go there. In case you wonder what I'm doing, I'll flip it through my sticker binder. Okay, we went back here to get holidays. Let's see. I'm trying to decide if I want to do like these. Like these from Planner Kate. I can't. Or if I want to just do like the script. Because those are in purple, so that would match. And then I got those written in black. Two different kinds. I'm thinking about doing like this. And then I'm not sticking them down yet because I want to see how they look. I think I'm going to use these in my my daily. I don't know, I may change my mind and go back and put them in there, but right now I'm not going to. I'm going to use the smaller ones. And these are from Black Dog Sticker Co., but I also have some for Planner Kate. I mean, it just depends on where you want to get them at. I'm going to put them right up here. It's a Good Friday. And Easter there. Okay, so now I need to put down my planner with Care Bear stuff, so sometimes I have so many pages to a kit that I get lost. That's what I was looking for. Okay. Okay, we'll put this right here on Saturday. And that will be for Monday's download. Well, I never cut. I always used to cut this, but I don't know. I don't want it. Today I kind of want it all together, but it's kind of, it's long. Okay, that was good. And then I'm going to use this. It says Monday upload. These are custom scripts, both of these from Sara Marie Stickers. That will be April 18th. Through the 24th, and that will be for Monday. And then let me go back over here. The one I'm filming right now will go up on Monday. So we use another one of those. Put it right here. this Planet with Care Bear here, and then another Monday upload, and this is going to be Plan with Me. April 11th through the 17th. And then I'm going to film on I'm going to film on Tuesday for Wednesday's upload, but I don't know right now what I'm going to film. So if you guys have any ideas, please put it down in the description, so that way I have an idea of what to film. Question mark. We'll put this as Wednesdays. I need to scoot it over more. Wednesdays upload. And then I'm going to put this Planet with Care Bear here. I'll scoot it over some more. I hate when I do that, when I pick a sticker up and I bend the corner. Okay, there we go. I think that'll work. Okay, and then I need to film on Thursday for Friday's upload. Or do I want to put... Okay, that's the same, so I'll just put this kind of box. Okay, that needs to go up here. And I need to do this one. Okay, put that one right there. I'm gonna move this one because I'm putting them on the day before they upload, so I'm going to take this one off and move it to Sunday, just for logistics point, because I will probably do it on Saturday, but I want it to be every other day. And technically I should have made this. Oops, that's upside down. That would work better if it wasn't upside down, but before I try to put it down. Okay, so then I'm going to put this one right here, and that's going to be the filming. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to jot all this down, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I've got everything down. It will fill up more than this probably during the week, but I've got down the film edit schedule for Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and those videos are the ones that's going to go up on Wednesday, Friday, Monday. Yeah, Monday. The only thing I didn't put down here was Friday. Let me grab that real quick. It's not seriously going to come out that easy. Okay, there we go. Put that right here, Friday upload. So, and I've got different things in. The only thing I don't have right here, and I don't know what, oh, here it is. Let me do this. And it is our Wacky Holidays from Planner Kate, and I just dropped my tweezers. Okay, so the 11th is Pet Day. Here, let me move this out of the way. Okay, 11th is Pet Day. So put them right here under the date covers. The 12th is Grilled Cheese Day. My daughter can live on grilled cheese. 13th is Scrabble Day. I haven't played Scrabble in a long time. Okay, the 16th is Bean Counter Day. You're ready to, you do that. I don't. And then also the 16th, my husband will love this one, is Husband Appreciation Day. I'm going to put that right here. Alrighty guys, that will do it for this plan with me. Please, if you enjoyed yourself today, please leave a like. Also, if you are not subscribed and would like to be part of our family, please hit the subscribe button. I'd like to get to 100 by June, as June is my birthday month. So we got a couple months to go. So share it with your family, friends. If you have a channel, I would love it if you give me a shout out like 40 and Broke did. So also, if you want to be notified every time I upload a video, click the bell for notifications. And please have a great day. God bless.